Take a ride in the 2024 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.